Hey everyone, Jacqueline here from Home Reimagined. Today I'm sharing 5 everyday items you're probably forgetting to clean. These spots are small, but keeping them fresh can make a big difference in how clean your space feels. So let's dive on in. First up, light switches. Think about how often we touch these and how everyone in your home is also touching them. They're a hot spot for germs, so give them a quick wipe down weekly. Just a cloth with a little bit of all-purpose cleaner will work wonders. Next is the TV remote. This one goes from hand to hand and rarely gets clean. Surprisingly, it's actually one of the dirtiest things in our home because of this. Grab a disinfecting wipe or a cloth and run it over the buttons and the sides. And pro tip, take the batteries out first to avoid accidentally changing channels while you're cleaning. Number 3 is drawer handles and cabinet pulls. These are high-touch areas in the kitchen, and they get sticky pretty fast. I like to use a little bit of dish soap and a damp cloth to cut through any grease or residue easily. We're all guilty of using our phones constantly, so they need some love too. Use a soft microfiber cloth to gently wipe the screen daily. For a deeper clean, add a damp cloth with just water and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol will kill off germs, but is safer than any other cleaners on your screens. And finally, faucet handles. We touch these before we even wash our hands, so think about what they may be harboring. I use a quick spritz of bathroom or multi-purpose sprayer right onto a cloth and wipe these down every few days to keep them spotless and germ-free. And there you have it, 5 everyday items that are easy to forget, but a breeze to clean. Try adding these to your weekly routine and let me know in the comments below if you have any other must-clean spots. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Home Reimagined for more cleaning content, home organization, and all kinds of fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.